Welcome Ken and Alkesh, architects of PROPLATE, a software designed specifically for the surface finishing industry. PROPLATE, surface finishing at its best. Can you tell us why?
PROPLATE takes away the guesswork of the metal finishing industry, and it also provides all the tools needed to make smart decisions.
The great thing about PROPLATE is brings in 35 plus years of metal finishing experience, best industry practices, and make sure that all of that experiences, best practices are put in one place for operators to use, utilize, and build quality product.
How does PROPLATE increase productivity and provide visibility?
PROPLATE is not your typical ERP system. PROPLATE is utilized in all areas of the metal finishing industry. So anyone who is plating, receiving, shipping, order entry, maintenance, laboratory, they all utilize PROPLATE. So it gives very good visibility to all aspects of the job shop.
To that point, PROPLATE affects all area of your shop management, and we make sure that all the best practices and checks and balances are in place for a job shop or a company to run their shops.
So how does PROPLATE handle complicated multi-step surface finishing processes?
So when we talk about complicated processes or even simple processes, it all comes down to what we like to say three aspects. One, we have to determine the proper run information or the proper recipe for the operator to run by. Second, the laboratory has to make sure all the chemistries are in their proper ranges. And third, the operator's got to run his equipment efficiently. If we focus on those three areas, you have a very high success rate of producing a quality part at the most productive rate that can be achieved. So one PROPLATE gives you the ability to create those recipes and determine that load size. So now we come down to the lab analysis. Now, again, with all aspects of the operation being utilized in PROPLATE, it gives us the ability to create analysis based on a time function or a production-based analysis. So as operators are utilizing PROPLATE, the system is calculating production activities and sending emails to the lab for proper analysis.
Giving the situational awareness through a software, making sure the communication, whether it's through email or through the system messages, is sent to the right players. PROPLATE engages all the players to make sure all the processes are run correctly and all the support services like labs are performed at the critical timings.
How does PROPLATE ensure the right processes are aligned to prevent production delays?
In PROPLATE, again, one of the functions of properly calculating recipes and giving good run information, it gives you the ability at scheduling to not only see your backlog numbers, but not just looking at a number, it's looking at how many loads do you have, how much production time is needed to produce that. So now with the data that we have in PROPLATE, you can make smart decisions on, do we need to work a weekend, do we not need to work a weekend, instead of just eyeballing your shop floor and saying, yeah, I have this much weight, and without knowing what it takes to produce that much weight. So
that's one of the way PROPLATE helps job shops out by helping them make data-driven decisions, providing them actionable intelligence so they can run their shop properly and efficiently.